Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jala Charasen. Today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 211. The name of the problem is buying cheese and the problem code is CHRBUY. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is a dog. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says chef is redecorating his house and is now trying to decide which chairs to buy. The furniture store chef is visiting has W wooden chairs and P plastic chairs available. Okay, so chef believes that each wooden chair will increase the stylishness of his house by two, while each plastic chair will increase the stylishness of the house by one. Chef wants to buy exactly K chairs in total. It is guaranteed that K is lesser than equal to W plus P. Find the maximum possible stylishness chef can attain by purchasing exactly K chairs from the store. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains three spaceable integers w, p, and k, where w represents the number of wooden chairs, p represents the number of plastic chairs, and the k represents the total number of chairs chef wants to buy. For output format, for each test case, output on a new line, the answer, the maximum possible stylishness chef can attain by buying k chairs. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 9000, for w, p lies from 1 to 20, for k lies from 1 to w plus p. So guys, now let's understand the sample test in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is pretty much straightforward. So it says that chef is redecorating his house and he decides to buy some chairs. Okay, so the furniture store chef is visiting, it has W chairs and P wooden plastic chair. W wooden chairs and P plastic chairs. Okay, so each wooden chair will increase chef stylishness by two, and each plastic chair will increase chef's house styliness by one. Okay, so he wants to buy exactly K chairs. Okay, and W plus P, it is guaranteed it is lesser than equal to K. We have to find the maximum possible stylishness chef can attain by purchasing exactly K chairs from the store. Now let's take the first test case. So in the first test case, you have uh, you have got four wooden chairs, right, and five plastic chairs, and six in total. Okay, so in total we have this. Okay, so from here we can say that chef wants to buy K is equal to six chairs, right? So it is optimal to buy four wooden chairs, right? So with the help of this, I can say that it is always optimal to buy four wooden chairs and two plastic chairs, right? So my total number of stylishness would be what? If four wooden chairs, that means two times of four, right? Because every wooden chair is increased twice, so two into four and plus one plastic chair, it would be one into two, which will take me to what? 8 plus 2, right? That is 10. So my total stylishness would be 10. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. It's very simple. Now let's move toward the simple solution. So the goal was that chef must buy exactly K chairs out of W wooden. So worth 2 stylish each and P would be plastic worth 1 stylish each. And we need to maximize total stylishness, right? So observation is that since wooden chairs gives more stylishness, where 2 is greater than 1, chef should always buy as many wooden chairs as possible, right? So the decision would be depend on if K is lesser than equal to W, chef can take all chairs as wooden, stylishness would be twice of K, and if K is greater than W, chef take all wooden chairs plus remaining would be K minus W would be the plastic chairs. So the stylishness would be 2 times of W plus K minus of W, which can tends to W plus K. So the formula would be for the maximum stylishness, minimum of twice of K, comma W plus K. So guys, I think the solution is very simple. Yeah, it's straightforward. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as W, P, and K. Over here, I'm getting my answer by minimum of twice of K, comma W plus K. Okay. At the last, simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I've got my C++ code right. Now let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is similar I took the input for all the test cases as well as w, comma p, comma k. Over here, I'm simply printing minimum of twice of k, comma w plus k. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code as well as right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.